So what is up people on the internet, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshat Taneja and today I have with me the best budget microphone under rupees 1200 or $22. So this is the Boya M1 and I have ordered it from Amazon and it has costed me around rupees 1500 or you can say $22, and this is a really great microphone. And in this video I'm going to unbox this microphone and I'm also going to give you a short review of this microphone. So straight away let's begin with the video.
Tiny fractures.
So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. So guys, this is the main box of the Boya M1 and it says Boya lavalier microphone micro cravate, and it is having a superb sound for presentation and video recording. And this is the model number, which is the Boya M1, and it says here that it's a microphone. So let's see what else is written on the box. It says that it can work for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. And it says the model number once again, and it says Boya Pro Audio Series. And you can see this is the original product as it is having the Boya seal over here. And let's read the features of this microphone. It says it is a clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. It is a omnidirectional condenser microphone. It is having a high quality condenser which is ideal for video use. It is having low handling noise. It includes lapel mic, LR44 battery, which is the small button size battery, and it is also having a foam windscreen for noise reduction and 1x4-inch adapter. So this box feels really great. So let's cut open the box and have a look at the microphone itself. And this is the main pouch in which you get the main microphone. So let's keep this aside and have a look what else do we get in the box. So we have a notice over here about the mic. Let's keep this also aside. And we also have a small instruction manual booklet which says the Boya M1 universal lavalier microphone. So if you are willing to read this, you can read this, but it is of no use to me. So I'll keep this aside and have a look at the main microphone. So this is the main pouch. It is a really good quality pouch. It is not leather, but it is made up of good qualities, and it has a Boya branding on the top of it. And let's take the microphone out of the pouch. You can see this is the main microphone unit. This area captures your sound, and this is the 3.5mm gold pin which is of really good quality. So it is a gold connector. You can directly plug it into your DSLRs or smartphones or anything. This is the main unit of the microphone. It has a button on it which says camera and smartphone. So if you are plugging it into your camera, you can switch it up, and if you are plugging it into your smartphone, you can switch it down. So if you rotate it like this, it has a battery compartment in here. So let's search for the battery and plug in the battery in here. This is a packet in which you have your 1x4-inch jack, your lavalier clip, your LR44 battery, and your windshield. So let's take these things out of the packet. So this is the windshield, and it will go like this on the top of the microphone. So now the windshield is on the microphone, and this will help the mic to reduce noises. And this is the LR44 battery. Let's take this out of the small packet and put it into the mic's main unit. So this battery goes in like it shows here, plus and minus. So this is the plus side, and I will put the battery inside now. So the battery is now inside, and you can rotate it until it becomes tight. So now our microphone is just ready to use. We also get some silica gel over here, and this is a really long 6-meter cable which can be used for your meetings, your YouTube videos, or anything. You can easily put this clip onto your microphone by just easily putting your clip over here and inserting it like this. So that was really easy, and it is now tight. The clip is also made up of a really good quality, and it is really good, and this microphone feels really good in the hand. So before plugging your microphone into your camera, you have to turn this switch onto the camera section, and now you can easily plug your microphone into your DSLR. So let's go ahead and have a look at the audio quality. So right now the audio which you are hearing is right from my camera, the Canon EOS 200D, And now I will plug this microphone onto my DSLR and we'll have a look at the audio quality of this microphone. So the audio you are hearing right now is coming directly from the Boya BY-M1 and the audio is not edited at all. This is the raw audio from the microphone when the microphone is connected to my DSLR, and you will be the judge of the audio quality now. So tell me in the comment section that what do you feel about the audio quality of this really cool budget microphone. So guys, that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, be that cool guy to hit that like button, and also please subscribe to our channel as more cool and amazing stuff is coming up, and don't forget to click that bell icon to get instantly notified about all our latest uploads. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.